Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a La Pavoni. We did a La Pavoni tune-up on this espresso machine, which is all the gaskets, the lever, lubricated and new gaskets, as well as the sight glass. This machine also had a little issue with it not drawing the water up, and so we made sure everything was clear and secure for that. So let's see how the shot comes out. All right, we'll draw some into the chamber and let's see how we did. There we go, we got a shot right here. We'll check the steam. Nice, strong, clear steam. You can see the gauge is holding right where it's supposed to as well. Get that shot up there, excuse me. Anyway, thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.